Good morning students. In today's adult tinkering class, we will start a new project by using 4 components. Let me see all about that components. First of all, we will use LED. LED stands for light emitting diodes. It is a semiconductor diode which glow when a voltage is applied to it. Second, that is 9-volt battery. This is a super simple but very useful if you are in a hurry or just like to do things yourself. It is about the easiest way to add mobile power to your component. Third, resistor. The main purpose of resistor is to reduce the current flow and to lower the voltage in any particular portion of the circuit. As 9-volt battery will give 9 volt to the component, but if you want to reduce the voltage which is coming out from 9-volt battery into 1 volt, 2 volt or 3 volt, we will use a resistor. It is made of copper wire which is coiled around a ceramic rod, and the outer part of the resistor is coated with an insulating paint. Today I am going to add a new component, that is multimeter. What is the purpose of multimeter? Multimeter is an instrument designed to measure electric current, voltage and usually resistance, typically over several ranges of value. After learning about the various components which we will use today, before starting the Tinkercad software and how to create the project over there, if you will like the video, don't forget to click on subscribe button if you have not subscribed yet. Those who have already subscribed, no need to click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon. Also like and share the video if you like it and give the comment. Today I will teach you how to glow more than one LED in a serial connection. What is the meaning of serial connection? You can see that in the video. So to create a new video, click on this circuit option and click on create new circuit. After clicking on it, just wait for a few seconds. The work area screen will be here, and from this component area, select the component. Like suppose you want to create a circuit to design or to glow more than 2 LEDs, that is I am taking 3 LEDs over here and 1 battery. Select the 9-volt battery from here. Then you can also take the resistor. So to create a circuit in serial connection, we required more than one resistor which you will place in between the LEDs. Just see to it. I have taken 2 resistors over here and 1 more resistor. So the role of resistor is to convert the 9-volt current into the current as per the requirement of a LED. So today I will also tell how to check the current which is coming from the 9-volt battery into the LED. I will also tell how will you check the current which is coming out from 9-volt battery into LED. So first of all, let me connect the circuit. As in the previous video I have told you that we are having a 2 pins in 9-volt battery, that is a negative and a positive. So over here you will see there are 2 pins, one is cathode pin and second is anode pin. So whenever you are making a circuit, first of all you will convert the 9-volt current into the less than 2 volt current. For that I have taken a resistor over here. I am just taking a wire from positive terminal and joining that terminal with the terminal 1 of the resistor, and after that I am connecting the second terminal with the anode of LED. Just wait. To connect the connection, first of all take the wire from positive pin of the 9-volt battery and join with the terminal 1 of resistors, and then take the another wire from terminal 2 and join with the anode of the LED 1. After that, just rotate the position of this resistor by clicking on this point. Just see over here, just click once over here, twice and 3 times. You can rotate the position as per your requirement. Now what I will do, I will just take the wire from the cathode and join the terminal 2 of a resistor then take the wire from terminal 1 and join with the anode. And after that I am again rotating the resistor from here and putting in between the two LEDs, nearby these two LEDs. Now I will take the wire from cathode and join the wire with terminal 2 of resistors. Then I am going to take the wire from terminal 1 of the resistors and connecting it with the anode. At the end I will take a wire from this cathode and I will join with this negative pin of the 9 volt battery. Now just click on start simulation. You will see the LEDs are glowing over here. So if you want to change the color of LED, choose the color of from here like this. I'm going to convert the second LED from red to green and third one is blue. Now just click on this start simulation. You will see all these three LEDs are glowing over here. Now come to the point, how will you check the voltage, whether the LED is receiving 9 volt or less than 9 volt, and how much volt the battery is passing from here. For that we are having a component. That component is known as multimeter. Just click and drag and place over here. You can place the multimeter anywhere. Just observe there are two pins, negative pin and positive pin. Just connect the positive pin, take the positive pin and come to the positive pin of the 9 volt battery, join it, then take the wire from negative pin of the multimeter and connect it with the negative pin. You can see when you will click on start simulation, it will show you the current coming out from the 9 volt battery. Just check it out whether it is coming 9 or less than 9 or more than 9. You can observe over here exactly maximum 9 volt is coming out from here. Now just place another multimeter onto the any one of the you can say LED. Just check it out how much current is coming over here to the LED. Again just join the negative terminal with this cathode pin and positive terminal with the anode pin and click on the start simulation. You can check it out, 1.83 volt is coming out. If you will not place the resistor over here, the LED will burst. So I think this concept is clear to you. This is called serial connection of LED. Fine. So take care of yourself. In the next video I will tell you how to make a circuit by using the parallel connection. So after watching this video you will come to know how to make a project by using serial connection. In my next video I will tell you how to make a connection by using parallel connection, and in that video you will come to know how to glow more than 3 lights. Thank you very much.